Hey fam, so today I'm going to be showing you two drinks that aid in weight loss and detox. First is the apple cider vinegar and lemon, and the second one is going to be a morning coffee. So we're going to start with our apple cider vinegar and lemon water. I prefer to use the spring sparkling water. You can use whatever water that you like, but what I do is I take about 5 bottles at one time, and I'm going to empty some of the water out into a glass. Now the glass, I'm going to use that water, and that'll be what I drink today. But this is something that you can pre-prep if you're a meal prepper, so this can be on the go for you. But I drink this every night before I go to bed. Some people like to drink it in the morning first thing, but I drink it at night. Now I'm going to take my Bragg's apple cider vinegar, which you guys can tell I use a lot of. I actually keep one on standby at all times. And I'm just going to add about a tablespoon to each bottle of water. Okay, then I take fresh lemons, and what I'm going to do is squeeze the lemons into this shot glass, and I put at least a half of lemon into each one of the bottles, as you see me doing here. Oopsie. Well, do it slowly because it's kind of reactive. So you don't want to pour it in too fast. Just pour it in a little at a time. Now, if you are on a healthy lifestyle journey, and or you just want to incorporate this into your diet or everyday eating routine, I would highly recommend it. You know how they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away? I believe it's apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has a lot of things that can help you out on a daily basis with your immune system and just other health properties that it has. So once you get all of your lemons squeezed and you get them into the bottles, you're done. That's it. You can store these bottles in the refrigerator so they're nice and cold. Every night before I go to bed, like I said, I drink one of the bottles of water, and then the one that's in the glass, I just drink that the same day I make it, so I don't waste any water. We're not going to waste anything here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And now let's move on to drink number 2. Hey, you guys, this drink is pretty simple and it works really well. You want to do this 4 to 5 times a week. If you're trying to lose weight, you can do it 7 to 10 days straight. But what we're going to do is take some water and add in a little over a teaspoon of instant coffee. This is caffeine. I only do this 3 to 4 times a week because the caffeine is just too much for me. With coffee, it will have me up all night, even though I drink it early in the morning. It just does something to my system. So you want to mix your instant coffee with some fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then while it's still warm, you want to just sip on this. Try to drink it within 15 minutes. And it will have you relieving yourself within the next 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how your system is. I do this on an empty stomach. I would suggest if you have to go to work, make sure that you get up early enough so you'll be able to relieve yourself before you go to work and then take your shower. I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is the end. These are just 2 special drinks that I've added to my weight loss journey that actually works, and it helps with the bloating and the belly fat. If you guys try these, let me know. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you use, what drinks you guys feel help aid in your weight loss journey. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, fam. Bye.